I'm Julie, and today we're making holiday hot chocolate bombs. They're fun, they're festive, and they're deceivingly easy to make. They make the creamiest cup of hot chocolate and the best holiday gift. I am sharing 4 easy ways to customize hot chocolate bombs for the holidays. They make the perfect family activity. Little hands can help too, especially when it comes to decorating. My other hot chocolate bombs video will show you a step-by-step tutorial on exactly how to do these effortlessly. First, we're making classic peppermint hot chocolate bombs. White chocolate peppermint or chocolate peppermint hot chocolate bombs. Either way, you can't go wrong. My personal favorite is white chocolate peppermint because it's so creamy with a hint of mint and just absolutely cozy. You can add crushed peppermint inside and also decorate the outside with it. That way it melts and adds the perfect dose of peppermint to your cup of hot chocolate. Next, we're whipping up a dark chocolate gingerbread man. Now you can use milk chocolate if you prefer, but this is for the more sophisticated taste, made in a cake mold for gingerbread men. It's absolutely delicious and darling. Place fluffy marshmallows inside the gingerbread for a fun surprise as they pop up to the top as it melts. It wouldn't be Christmas without Frosty, and we have a melting snowman hot chocolate bomb that's so simple to make, and it's truly darling. It's fun to watch him melt away into a creamy cup of cocoa. I love putting white hot chocolate mix into the snowman with little marshmallow bits. To decorate your snowman, you can use decorating icing. And finally, we have the Grinch. A green hot chocolate bomb melts away to reveal a heart 2 sizes too small, and of course, an abundance of marshmallows. Simply add green food coloring to the white chocolate after it melts to get that Grinch green. Don't forget to put a heart sprinkle inside with marshmallows and hot chocolate mix. And for this one, there are always 2 options. You can draw a Grinch face or simply place a cute heart sprinkle on the outside to decorate. Now, I've previously shared my hot chocolate bomb recipe here with you, but I wanted to go into even more depth. You don't have to freeze the chocolate, however, it's recommended because it makes removing it from the mold really easy, and it also allows the chocolate to set far more quickly. I only freeze it for 7 minutes. I found that's the perfect spot, just enough, and then it makes it really easy to pop out, and you can move on, fill, and seal. Speaking of sealing, there are multiple ways you can do it. One is by warming a plate or a bowl really hot in the microwave. You can also use a plate just out of the dishwasher. And in addition, you can use a pan over the stovetop on the lowest heat setting. Whatever you do, work quickly because you'll leave fingerprints behind if you don't. You can even stick your hands over ice or in the freezer for a moment if you need to fuss with them a little more. I have found with hot chocolate bombs, less is more. So move quickly, be prepared, and touch them as minimally as possible. If you do, however, touch them more than you desire, you can always make up for it in the decorating process. I love using melted chocolate in any color, drizzled over the top, and covered with sprinkles. You can also use melted chocolate to seal the seams. However you do it, they're sure to be adorable and a hit. I hope you enjoyed these holiday hot chocolate bombs. Don't forget to click subscribe and ring that bell for notifications for more easy recipes, home decor, and so much more. I look forward to seeing you again soon.